Okay. Okay, now let's scan again. And can you confirm that it allows public network to discover it?
Yes, I think.
Okay, so now let's launch the scan again. Let's launch the scan again because this didn't scan. Can you click on launch at the top right corner?
Okay, launch.
Yes, default.
Okay, default.
So there's something wrong here because we scan law, but here it's saying completed,
Yes.
whereas we've not discovered anything about the device. Um, Charlie, will Windows 8 here again to confirm that it allows. Can you go to the control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center, and let us check change advanced sharing settings. Okay, all of these are set. Can we check the public? Okay.
No.
Yes. What about can we check your host PC? Your host PC. Let us check the IP of your host PC.
Okay.
They're on the same range. Yeah. They're on the same range. 192.168.0.54.
Should we scan that?
Yes, let's do that as well. Check out here.
So now A scan.
But why is that not running? Can you add a comma, then add the
Okay.
second IP address, which is that of the Windows 8?
Okay. Okay, should I go ahead?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
No.
So, okay. It's running. So you can click on new scan. Okay, good. So this is what's going to happen. It's equal to point our hosting a G, and on the right hand side you would see the policy is basic network scan and the status is running, and the severity base it is using is the version 3. So let's click on one of the hosts. Let's click on the second one. Let's see the second one.
Okay. This one.
Yes, please. Okay. I believe this is still running as well. Let's click on go back to hosts. Let's click on the first one. Okay. This is still running as well, I believe. So now let's go back to hosts and let's confirm the status of. Okay, the scans are still running. You see the current status on the right hand side. So this is when you have multiple hosts. It's a opening our host in Sonamiji. But we want to discover a vulnerability. So EMR for any insights into our discussion. I've discovered real vulnerabilities. So you see that the scan is still ongoing. The second device, which is the Windows 8, currently has identified 14 vulnerabilities so far. The first one, which is his main device, has identified 68 vulnerabilities so far. So we'll allow it to run. Is there a question?
Yeah, I was going to ask.
Please go on.
Does it mean can you we can run like 50 hundreds of devices at the same time?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
So that's why we have that targets field. You just pass in the targets you have, separating them with a comma, or just uploading them from your list, just like I showed last week. We at my list of our IP addresses that first scan, so you can just save them, then you upload them when in your target box. You can just upload them. There's a button that allows you to upload your IP addresses. Okay, Mr. Olaskom, you have a question, sir? Please go on, sir. Agboyo, Professor Kolawole. So now I think a vulnerability has been discovered on the Windows 8. Shelly, click on Windows 8, sir. Yes, good. So now you'd see that on the right hand side, MRP vulnerabilities in we have critical, we have high, we have medium, we have low. I believe we all can see this. Now, if you click on critical, for example, MRP, there are no critical risks discovered yet. If you click on high, I click on high, there are none yet. Medium, you see that we have 7% of the total vulnerabilities discovered that are medium vulnerabilities. Ejeka will low.
I'll send to you, please.
No, and info is about 90%. So info is about 93%. So now, Tebalo wonder vulnerabilities in it. You see mixed. Can you click on mixed? Yes. So this has some vulnerabilities in it. Now the first vulnerability totally discover Lori Windows 8 it is this SMB sign-in not required. This is the first vulnerability that it discovered Lori Windows 8 whilst it is still scanning. Now you can click on the medium vulnerabilities, huh? So Professor Kolawole, you have a question?
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Clearly, we can.
So on Kali Linux, how do you check the IP address for the VM?
Oh, it's ifconfig on the terminal.
I tried it, it didn't work.
So it is not IP config, it is if config.
IF.
Yes. Ori Windows it is IP config, but on Linux it is if config.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir. Okay, good. So now let us talk about the first vulnerability that discovered Lori Windows 80, Professor Dotun. You would see that the name of this vulnerability is SMB sign-in not required. and this is a medium vulnerability. The description